other than cosmetically looking at
Yeah, I mean, I didn't see anything that would like be any kind of major.
all the belts and everything. This is our power steering.
Power steering, yeah.
And there's the
That's the AC. The AC compressor's locked up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I figured that. I've got a new one.
I thought you mentioned.
Yeah. What about the power steering? We can just clean that off, you think? Or?
That should be okay.
And the alternator, I'm going to look at getting a new one.
Yeah, just out of mileage. Starter looks okay.
Okay.
It's hard to tell. I'm going to say that might even be a it might have been replaced at some point.
I mean, they use.
I don't know if the original ones have a sticker like that, but the remanufactured ones do.
Yeah. That looks like it's been there for a while.
It does, yeah.
Not unusual to see them go bad, right?
You know, it just depends on how many, highway versus, start and stop.
Yeah.
Driving.
Yeah, that's true.
It's going to make a huge difference.
Oh, I see now where you cut the headers.
Yeah. Yeah, I tried a bunch of different ways to get the header and the exhaust apart, but couldn't do it.
Where's the VIN usually on the engine?
It's on the starter loop here. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Might take a little bit more to get it cleaned off. Yeah,
No, it's the original, I'm sure.
oh yeah, no, yeah, nothing. It had nothing been off on this.
So that's. Can't read it.
Yeah, it's 99 still.
Well, there's a lot of residual.
Yeah, it's really caked on there good.
That rust there is not that bad. This, well, yeah, it is kind of.
Yeah, it went through in a couple of areas. It's really weird. It's very spotted.
But he can probably rebuild that.
Yeah.
And then this over here. Yeah, that's pretty
Yeah,
bad.
he'll have a lot of work to do in that corner.
This,
Yeah. That's just the weirdest,
that is weird.
sort of a stress tear or something.
Mm. So all of this wiring, front, all of that, right?
Yeah, it's all
just
one
basically
continuous.
pull it all out.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I think the less wiring we have in there, the easier it'll be for Tom.
Okay.
I don't think he'll mind that.
Okay. Yeah, I sort of figured.
And the underside, there's nothing. You took all the like fuel lines and all that off.
Yeah. Yeah.
Tanks out too.
Yeah.
Oh, that's right. That's what I wanted to take a look.
Yeah, brake lines and stuff back there. Most of the cars back here in boxes. And I'm surprised. I mean, I think the brake line was just a thin layer from bringing a hole.
Yeah, that's why I stopped driving it a long time ago.
Yeah.
Just didn't trust it.
No, it's a good thing.
Um,
I think it would have popped a hole if you'd hit it hard.
Actually, that rack looks brand new there. Once the
Yeah, well,
grease
that's
is off.
I got some of the heavy stuff off. But
That rust is something to contend with, and I think there was a leak right where you see that. When somebody replaced the windshield,
yeah, I don't know. It's weird how it got in to that side and then down here. That's just I just don't know.
so we'll take that wiring harness out. That way, he's got a clean field
Okay.
to work with.
All right.
So everything else looks good, though. I'm actually pretty impressed.
Yeah, I mean, it's not really any structural
No.
rust. It's just in spots.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's good to salvage it then, right?
Oh yeah, definitely worthwhile.